Welcome to Wordy Wednesday. This week I've got 3 expressions about learning. So let's learn. First of all, to take up, when you want to start studying or doing something new. An example, I'd like to take up chess this year. Second, to take in, to absorb new information. The new course on team management is a lot to take in. I'll try to implement it step by step. 3, do your homework, not just literally. It can mean studying something well. I have to do my homework about the travel regulations if I want to travel to Australia this year. So what about you? What new sport or activity have you always wanted to take up but haven't yet? What is your favorite study method for taking in a lot of information? And what is something that you need to do your homework on? Love to hear from you soon.